So you want to boost sales on Shopify, but you're not 100% sure how, am I right? Maybe you've optimized your store, watched videos of the top 5 apps to download to boost sales, but you're still feeling like you're missing out on some huge market. Well, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online shop owners, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. If that sounds like your vibe, hit like and subscribe because I share weekly tutorials of how to market yourself and your products. Today, I'm sharing how to boost sales on Shopify in a way that most creators aren't thinking about, and that's Pinterest. Let me explain. People are using Pinterest to find products. And if you've got a shop on Shopify, you are selling products. So it's a perfect place for you to be marketing. But how do you even get started? I'm going to break that down for you today in this very simple step-by-step video sharing 3 things. What you need to know about Pinterest to get started, how to link your Pinterest and Shopify accounts, how to automate the process so you can save time and drive sales faster. How does that sound? Let's get into it. So let's start with the basics. Pinterest is not social media, it's a search engine. The same way people use Google to find blog posts or YouTube to watch videos, they use Pinterest to search for ideas, answers, and products. And if you're selling on Shopify, your products are exactly the kinds of solutions people are looking for. So how do you get your products found? Remember, Pinterest is a search engine, which means Pinterest runs on keywords. When you use the right words in your profile, your boards, and your pins, Pinterest understands who to show your content and products to so you can get in front of the right buyers. Does that make sense? If you're brand new to Pinterest, I highly recommend checking out my Pinterest for Beginners video. I'll put the link in the description below. It's under 10 minutes and walks you through everything step by step, including what an account is, how boards and pins work, and all the basic terminology. Let's cover 4 of the essentials today just so you're not lost. First, you'll need a Pinterest business account. It's completely free and you can either convert a personal account or start fresh with your Shopify store name. A business account gives you access to analytics, audience insights, and ads if you ever decide to run them. Second, setting up your profile and boards. Your profile should have a name and bio that naturally use a few of your keywords. For example, instead of just writing Michelle, maybe I'll write Michelle, natural home goods and eco living. Your bio could add something like, I share affordable, sustainable home decor and everyday essentials. This is clear, simple, and keyword rich. Next, you'll want to create a handful of boards. Think of these as folders for your content. If you sell natural housewares, you might set up boards like natural kitchen essentials or eco bathroom finds. Each board should have a clear name and a short description with 1 to 2 keywords. Number 3, you'll need to understand what keywords are and how to use them. So keywords are the words that you're going to use in your pins, your boards, and your profile to tell Pinterest what your content is about. To find them, it's actually really easy. Just start typing into the Pinterest search bar and it will auto-complete phrases for you. If you scroll through these, they are the most popularly searched terms and great keywords to include in your content. Use them naturally in your profile name, in your bio, in your board names, in your board descriptions, and in your pin titles and pin descriptions too. Don't keyword stuff, just write in a way that sounds helpful to real people. And finally, number 4, you're gonna wanna create fresh pins. Pinterest likes new pins, new titles, new descriptions, new pictures, and new links. They don't wanna see the same pin pinned every day. It kinda looks like spammy behavior. If you've got multiple products on your Shopify store, rotate through them so you're always posting something fresh. And in the next section, I'll talk about how to create fresh pins and how to automate that process so you can create them faster. But just know you'll need variety in order to be successful with Pinterest. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about how to connect your Shopify to Pinterest. To do this, we recommend using a tool called Pin Generator. Not only does it link your Shopify store directly to Pinterest, but it also creates pins for you automatically, saving you a ton of time. Let me show you how it works. You're gonna wanna head to pingenerator.com/products. Click Connect Shopify on the left-hand side. From here, install the Pin Generator app in your Shopify store. Once that's done, come back to this page and you'll see all of your products appear automatically at the bottom. Now, it's as simple as checking the boxes next to the products you want to pin and updating how many pins you'd like, as the default is set to 5. Then hit Generate Pins. What's happening behind the scenes here is Pin Generator is pulling your product information, the titles, descriptions, links, images directly from Shopify into Pinterest-friendly templates. It's that quick. At first, you may want to tweak a few things, like choosing your favorite templates, swapping in stronger images, or adjusting the text. But once you've got it dialed in, the whole process becomes almost hands-free. And that's where automation really comes in, which is what I'll show you in the next section. So how to automate the whole process. Once your Shopify products are connected, the real magic of Pin Generator is in automation. This is what helps you stay consistent on Pinterest without spending hours designing pins or manually uploading every day. And that consistency is what will help you reach more people on Pinterest and boost sales on Shopify. Here's how to make it work. Start by heading to the templates section in the left-hand sidebar. Pick a handful of templates that match the style and vibe of your shop, whether it's clean and minimal, bold and colorful, or anything in between. You can customize the fonts, the colors, and the layouts to stay on brand. And if you already use Canva, you can even import templates directly into Pen Generator and use those. Save your favorites so they're always easy to grab, and that way, every time new products sync from Shopify, you can apply your preferred designs in just one click. So from here, Pin Generator lets you go one step further and use the Create Auto Pin feature. This tool will rewrite your titles, refresh your descriptions, add new images, and even schedule pins to publish at whatever frequency you choose. The setup might take a little time up front, but once it's done, you can literally set it and forget it. Your Shopify products will be generating fresh pins automatically, keeping your account active and driving traffic, all without pulling more of your time or effort. How does that sound? I've only walked you through this at a high level today, just enough so you can see how Pinterest can actually help boost sales on Shopify. Tools like Pin Generator make the whole process simple by syncing your store and automating pin creation so you can stay consistent without burning out. We've got other tutorials that go deeper into things like AI pins, scheduling, and custom templates. So if you're curious about any of that, check out those videos. And if you're stuck, just leave a comment and I'll point you in the right place. And if you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I share weekly Pinterest marketing videos to help you get your content seen without burning out. I'm Max, and I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.